Hello everyone, welcome to HardReset channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can adjust screen color to your own preference in OPPO Find X7. So first, go into settings and then scroll down until you see display and brightness. Click it and here go to screen color mode. Here we can choose between natural, pro, vivid, and we can also change the screen color temperature. We can change it to warm and also we can change it to cool. We can also check for color vision enhancement, and here we can set it to anything that we want. We can also change the intensity here from high, let's say, to low, and we can also check for adaptive tone. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more tutorials. Bye.